Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we have a curbside video for Friday, August the 15th only, where we actually have two boosters stacking and promotions and today's offer stacking as well. So today's offer is spend 30 on select P&G items, get $10 Walgreens cash, plus the spend 60 earned 12 if you still have that. These two are stacking. But the top one is also stacking with deodorant, body wash, those promotions. So we're going to look at it. Unfortunately, Tide not working as part of the bigger promotion of the spend 30. So we're not looking at Tide, but we're looking at specifically deodorant and body wash for this video. Okay, so we are doing this as a curbside pickup, meaning you are ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up, hitting that box on the left-hand side with the green check, and that is lovingly known as your curbside pickup. Has to be done that way. So for deal number one, this is what we're working with is items that have this spend 30 on select P&G, earn back 10. And we are looking at buying 3 of the body washes and 4 of the deodorants to get an additional $16 back. As these are beauty items, we can use those codes at the bottom, beauty 20 or beauty 30. Okay, so for basket number one, we're not stacking it with the spend 60, earn back 12. This will be a much smaller basket just to look at money a different way, where we're not like, spend $87 out of pocket. We're not doing it for this one. So we're putting in 4 of these deodorants, and there's a 5 off 3 and a 3 off 1, and we're grabbing 4 of the secret deodorants, so 4 of them. I had to break it up in 2 different scents because there was a limitation of what I could do. You might have the same thing. And the app was acting like mashed potatoes, just really slow and weird this morning too. So you might have the same issue. So you might have to try a little later. 3 Olay body washes for $21. And we have a 5 off 3 digital coupon as well. So make sure you have that one rocking and rolling for you guys. So that's 3. And this is spend or buy 3, earn back 8. So there it is. And just to show you guys our chorus line. So I used the code BEAUTY20 and we have $6.89 melting off. And then we have the 5 off 3 for the deodorant, the 5 off 3 for the body wash, and an additional $3 off for the secret. That's $8 of coupons for those deodorants alone. The overall total is $47.36. After $6.89, we are at $40.47. So we're still at that $30 threshold. We have $13 in digitals melting off. So with tax, you're going to pay $29.90, and the manufacturer coupons it's not going to make it less than a $30 basket, so it's fine. So anyhow, you're going to pay $29.90, get back $26.47. If you're really not factoring in the tax, I think it's like for the items like $20 and some change, which is quite spectacular. Now, alternatively, if you can track down these men's items, there is an IBOTTA rebate, so obviously you're going to need a receipt in the store, so you'll have to ask the cashier to process it through a regular register so you can get a physical receipt for IBOTTA. I recommend if you have some of these items in your stockpile, scan before you order. Are they attaching, yes or no? It always seems to be an issue with Old Spice, so scan before you order. Best advice I can give you. The next basket we're looking at is going to be a $60+ basket. We're going to get these two to work in concert, which is the spend 30, earn back 10, and the spend 60, earn back 12. And for the balances for both of these, you have to use your debit card because the word spend is in there as well. So you can't use Walgreens cash, just to answer that quick question. So for this basket, kind of an augmentation of the last basket. So we're just going to blast through this really quickly. 4 of those secret deodorants for $26.36. And we have a 5 off 3 and a $3 off melting off. Buy 4, earn 8. One of those fancier Olay skin benefit serums for $34.99, and we have a $5 digital attaching. 3 of the Olay body washes for $21. We have a 5 off 3 digital, $8 of Walgreens cash when you buy 3. So that is really, really fantastic for this body wash if you still have your 5 off 3 digital coupon. Now, just to show you guys the overall savings here, we have Beauty 30, $19.36, melting off of a $60 purchase. Secret, Olay, the Olay treatment, which is the secret serum, and then the deodorant coupon. So that is a whole mess of savings right there. The overall total is 82.35, 19.32 coming off. So we're still at 63.02 for the spend 60, earn back 12. $18 manufacturer. So $48.81 you will be paying with your debit card, and then you're earning back $38.82. There's almost $4 in tax. So if you reconcile the math, this is a very, very good deal to get a whole bunch of deodorant, body wash, and the super serum for very, very cheap. It is a little bit out of pocket, but if you can line this one up perfectly, what a deal. That's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.